morning. Julia and I are on our way to the river to hopefully get into some steelhead. It's been a warm couple of days. Hopefully that did not push them back out to the lake. It's supposed to have a little bit of wind out of the south today, so venturing out on the lake is probably not an option. So we got to find them in the river. And we are here. I have both kayaks on the roof. Stacking yaks today, baby. We are meeting up with Manny Marshall from Yakin' Crazy in his Hobie Outback. Well, we're out here on the river. Water temp is 68.2 degrees. I'm currently running 2 quick fish, 11X, chartreuse and chrome, and I think green and chrome on the other side. No action yet. I'm marking a couple of here and there, looking for those steelhead. Oh yeah, baby. I didn't catch it yet. Come on. That's a nice fish. Well, that's a wrap. We had a good day on the water. I did catch one. It was a nice 25-inch male. It was a long, fun day though.